How to access voicemail on Google Voice. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, you will see your Google Voice dashboard. To access your voicemail, click on the voicemail section in the left-hand menu. Here you will find all your received voicemail listed. You can play any voicemail directly from this section by clicking on the play button. Google Voice also provides transcripts of your voicemail, which appear right below the audio. This makes it easy to read messages quickly without listening to them. You can also receive voicemail transcripts directly in your email if the option is enabled in your settings. If you want to set up or manage voicemail greetings, click on the settings gear icon, then scroll to the voicemail section. Here you can record a personal greeting, activate multiple greetings, and manage which greeting is active. Once your voicemail is set up, you can listen to messages, read transcript, and access them anytime from Google Voice. This ensures you never miss an important call or message. Now you know how to access and manage your voicemail on Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.